Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Whitehead here. Hope you're all okay. I thought you could have a go at our rotting rubbish experiment at home. Now if you remember, we started this in school, but then we've had to leave it there because we're all now at home. But I thought this is great for you to do at home yourself. So we were thinking about how rubbish rots away. So I've got all my things here that we might need. This is all our equipment. So I've got some different bits of rubbish that we can see how it rots away. I've got some old bread. I've got a banana skin. And I've got a tea bag. And then I've got some plastic bags, some sellotape, and some scissors. So what you need to do is make sure that you ask a big person at your house just to help you, to get all the equipment together and then to help you with the experiment. Okay. So the first thing you need to do when you've collected everything, and you can have any kind of food or rubbish that you want to use in the experiment. So all you need to do is choose one of them. I'm going to start with the bread. Put it inside the bag like that. And then using the sellotape, just sellotape the bag up so that it's nice and tight like that. You don't have to use sellotape. You could just get an adult to tie a knot in the top for you. When you've done that, you need to keep it somewhere safe. You need to do all of the bits of rubbish that you've got. And then you just need to keep watching it to see what happens. And I'm just going to show you. There you go. If you remember, in school, we had a sheet that looked a bit like this. So if you want to draw one of these, then you can, but if not, you can just keep looking at it every few days to see what's happened to that rubbish inside, to see if it's rotting away. And if you want to write down what you see, then you can make yourself a little chart like this, and you can just record each day what happens. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Just a little bit of science that you can do at home. And if you do, let us know how you get on, because I know Miss Wharton will be thrilled to know you're doing science at home. Hope everybody's okay. Keep safe, keep well, keep happy. Bye for now.